Hey everyone, so today I'm back with a tutorial video to share with you guys. So this is my very first time filming this way and I hope you guys can bear with me, but I just wanted to come on here really quick and show you how I created my monthly planner tabs for my hobonichi weeks. I honestly haven't really seen that many tutorials or videos on how to create these, so I hope you will find it helpful, but just a little FYI, you will be hearing my mouse pad click and everything just because it will be an unedited video. So I hope you don't mind. But anyways, let's just get started. I'm going to try to make this as fast as I can and as simple as I can. So first things first, what I like to do is just go to my page setup where the registration marks are. And I'll go to type 1 and the thickness will just move all the way to the left. And let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. Then I'll go here and I'll choose whatever shape I'd like, but this time I'm just gonna keep it simple. I don't really need anything fancy, but you can choose whatever you would like. So here I'm just gonna adjust the corners a little bit, and then I'm going to fill in the box with any color. I'm gonna use black this time, and then I'm gonna change that to transparent. And as you can see here, there's a little gap. So all you have to do is just stretch that out a little bit and on both sides, just like so. And actually, I'm going to bring this down a little bit. There you go, like that. So once you're happy with whatever your shape is, go ahead and go to replicate panel, and we're going to make one above that. So just press this here and it automatically does it for you. So there you have your tab. That's how it looks like. Then I'm going to go ahead and group it together. And then the next step is to go to the offset, and we're going to just change this to the lowest number, which is 0.005, and apply that. And then you have your, that's where it's going to be cut around. We're going to group that together, and there you have your first tab. So instead of doing this whole or these steps again, if you, of course, for me, I made 12 months. So all you have to do if you want to make more is go back to replicate panel and just arrow to as many as you would like. So for this video, I'm just going to make two, one with the word and then one with a number. And then I'm going to scoot this aside because that's what you want to do once you make a bunch of these, like replicate them, they're going to kind of stick together. You want to separate them a little bit because you don't want them to interfere during the cutting process. So the next step is just to go to my text, and I'm just going to put Jan. We're going to change the font. One of my favorites is the Better Together, and we're going to change the color. I'm going to put white. Again, you could choose whatever color you would like. And we're going to change this to transparent, and then the font size. I'm going to go with 24 just to be safe. We're going to move that up, and you want to get a little close to where the crease is, like right here, just because the bottom part right here will be stuck to your page and you don't want to hide the word. So there you have that, and then we're going to duplicate this right here and move that to the top, again close to the crease part, and then we're going to not duplicate, sorry, we're going to flip horizontal and then flip vertical. So now it's upside down, and then when you fold it, you'll have it on both sides. And again, just move it a little bit close to the edge, and that should be good. And then you're going to group just this box right here. I'm going to group that together, and there you have your complete tab. Then this one here, I'm just going to create one with a number. So same thing as if you're making like the font, and change the color, change this to transparent. And this time we're going to go with one of my favorites, which is Style Thief, and change the size. This one you could do a little bit bigger if you'd like. The first one was 24. I'm going to use 36 because it's just a number. And we're just going to rotate that like so. And again, we're going to move it a little bit closer to the edge. And you just want to eyeball it. That's pretty much how I did it. So next we're going to duplicate that number and move it above. And again, a little close to the edge. So this one you don't have to like flip vertical or horizontal, because once you fold it, it's still going to be the same way. So there you have that, and then we're going to group it together. And that's pretty much it. That's how you make your tab, and then you'll just go to, once you've completed all of your tabs, you'll just go to send, and then check the lines, make sure this is checked off right here, and that's where your cuts will be, where the red marks are. And then as for my material, I just go with the sticker paper white, and then my speed and the needle is at 2, 8, and 6. So I use label maker sheets. They're clear label sheets. And number 6, the force number 6 is pretty good because it only cuts like the top portion. If you go anything higher, it might go through the whole thing. So that's basically it. Then you just send it off and it'll print. So there you have it, guys. Super easy tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, always feel free to leave a comment. And of course, I will get back to you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.